Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Hope everyone is doing great. In this video, I'm going to discuss the roadmap for a data analyst for freshers. So before going into the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. So let's go into the laptop screen. I'll explain you clearly by showing the document which I prepared. And here you can see the data analyst roadmap for the freshers. I designed this roadmap for a 16 weeks duration. And coming to the week 1 and week 2, you should start with the maths. In the maths, like a topic is mainly statistics, you should cover that topic. And next, coming to the week 3 and week 4, you should start with Excel. From childhood onwards, you use it to know what is Excel and how to use it. But some topics I mentioned here, those are mandatory, should be learned. Like first one is like basic formulas, advanced formulas. Next, like VLOOKUP, match, index. And you should continue with the pivot tables and the power query. You should start with the charts. You should practice some charts and all by importing some data. The data can be, the sample data can be get it from the Google. And now coming to the next week, 5, 6, 7, 8, these 4 weeks you should concentrate on a BI tool. This is like here I mentioned the Power BI. You can learn Power BI and Tableau also. Here I'm saying about the Power BI. In this Power BI, there are so many topics you should cover, starting with the connecting to different data sources, and next creating various charts, and next is learn to use filters properly. There are multiple charts in the Power BI. You should know how to create those and how to filter properly according to the data you need. And next is the data transformation in Power Query. Next, creating metrics using DAX and data modeling. This is mainly asked in the interviews, so you should mostly focus on this also. And next is like creating visuals, and next one is dashboarding and publishing this dashboard into a Power BI service. And next, coming to the week 9, 10, 11, 12, these are the 4 weeks. Here we are going to cover SQL. SQL is mandatory in the data analyst. In this SQL, I mentioned some topics here, starting with the basic relational database, and continue with the basic queries like a cell where like listing between group by, order by. You should cover all these topics. And next, advanced queries, all you can see in the screen, and the joints, in the joints left joint, right joint, inner joint, and a full joint. And next is the stored procedure and the function. These are topics are mandatory to cover in SQL, so don't forget this. Don't skip any topic what I mentioned here. And last 4 weeks is about Python. You should learn Python. In this, there are many topics you should learn. First of all, learn how to code basic programs and learn about the syntaxes and all. Then I mentioned some topics in the document. Here you can see on the screen. So don't forget to learn every topic. And next is the pandas. Pandas is like a library in the Python. So in this pandas, total there are 4 topics I mentioned, starting with the data from basics, reading data from CS or Excel files, handling missing data, and a group by merging everything. Like this, you should learn every topic which I mentioned in the document. If possible, I'll keep this document link in the description. Don't forget to check it if you require. Hope I covered everything. Just once again, check the document clearly. If is there any doubts, don't forget to drop a comment under this video. That's it for today's video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.